Hey everyone! So today I have a 10 by 20 gallery wrap canvas, the Beast, very heavy, and I just prep them like I do all my other canvases. So I want to do, that metallic is just, ooh, I really don't want it. So I think I'm going to change that one. Yeah, I don't want the metallic. Okay, that was easy. Oh, so I'm going to use Prussian blue and lime green and phthalo turquoise. I'm hoping that phthalo turquoise won't be too dark. But okay. So we'll go ahead and do our cup first. I'm going to spray it with the WD-40 silicone spray. Not to create cells today. This is just to release the paint from the cup. If you're just joining my channel, I use it in just about every pour, but I mostly use it to keep the paint from sticking to the bottom of the cup. I want all that color to release that I put in the cup, so I'm just thinking, do I need a little black? I think so. Alright, so we're just going to put just a dash of black in there. That's it. Just a tiny little bit. Okay, and I'm going to follow that with, I think, the lime green. And then the turquoise, phthalo turquoise. I'm kind of on a green kick today. And a little bit of Prussian blue. This Prussian blue mixed up so much different than my other ones. It just seems like it's so bright. I can't wait to see what color it is when it dries. And that's going to be in my way, so I have to cover this up. It is so windy here today. We actually got a warning for a wind advisory, which was surprising. I'm just going to give that a tiny stir. Doing my star pattern. Alright, so I'm going to place it in the middle of the canvas. Oh, these are so much heavier. Ooh. Almost dropped it. Okay, and I'm just going to put my white around it. And this is Artist Loft Acrylic Flow with a little bit of craft paint mixed in. And I think I put a little bit of, it might have been the Heavy Body Liquitex. I'm just trying some things. I'm going to need a little more white because I have those big sides to cover. Okay, that will work. And I'm just going to move it around. I got a leaker. Better use my spatula. Well, maybe not. It's not here. Ah, here it is. Sorry. I mean to make all that noise. I like to get this nice and smooth because I don't tip the paint much after I lift that cup up, so totally missing the canvas because I can't see. There. I think that'll do it. Get my corners. So I noticed that Carl Mazer did a video actually on how to do the abstract horse that we were talking about, and I was glued to that video this morning. He's so creative. I guess he is very artistic anyways because he's a photographer, and he has an eye for creativity anyways. He knows what he wants. So I'm going to go ahead and poke a hole. So Carl, if you're watching, kudos to you once again on my favorite painting of yours. Just moving color. I'm a little shy here. I hate to break that up too much more though. Probably should have left it alone. Ooh, it looks purpley there. I'm going to move it just a little. Oh, didn't want to see that. Okay, I'm just going to move it just a little bit because I need it to fill up the canvas a little more. So I'm going to drag it down and then drag it back. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm so happy with that, I could just leave it like that. But you know me, I'm not gonna. Someone just walked by my window. I think it was my son getting the mail. Scared me. I'm not used to anybody being outside of my door. All right. Let's see. Oops, I should torch that first. See? Almost forgot, didn't I? These cells are beautiful. Do you want to see it before I airbrush? Pretty, pretty. Okay. Now we'll get to work. Oh, he's got my brother-in-law. It's his shift today to take care of my brother-in-law, so he has him out there with his remote control car. He just loved that thing. pushing the very edges out just a little bit. And I'll hit it again on this side when I turn it around because it's just a little easier for me to move it. There's a lot of paint on this canvas. Flip her around. It's so much heavier than my other ones. I'm just not used to it. I feel like I'm a beginner. Boy, I really did waste a lot of white paint, didn't I? That's okay. Careful. Break up too much of that cell action there. Oh, it's so pretty with all those colors in there. I'm going to do the same thing on this side, just pushing it a little bit more. I have to be at this angle. There. She is gorgeous. I'm so happy with it. Got a little purple in there though, that was different. I'm hoping it's the blue that'll dry darker. Okay, so now I'm going to tip just a little bit. There. So yeah, I like this. I'll leave it alone now. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below and subscribe. Click on the bell and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like if you like it. It's absolutely beautiful. And leave a comment. I love when you guys leave comments. And join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. Isn't she pretty? This one will be absolutely beautiful when it's dry. So guys, have a great day, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.